To create product categories in Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the Products section, where you will find the option to create collections. Collections in Shopify are essentially product categories. So click on the Collections tab to begin creating your product categories. In the Collections section, click on the Create Collection button to start creating a new product category. Enter a title for your collection, which will be the name of your product category. You can also add a description to your collection, which can provide more information to your customers about the products in that category. Next, you need to set the conditions for which products will be included in this collection. You can choose to include products based on certain conditions such as product type, vendor, price, and tags. For example, if you want to create a category for all products from a certain vendor, you can select the vendor condition and choose the vendor from the drop-down list. Once you have set the conditions for your collection, click on the Save Collection button to create your product category. You can create multiple collections to categorize your products in different ways, such as by product type, price range, or brand. To organize your collections in a hierarchical structure, you can create subcollections. A subcollection is a collection that is nested under another collection. For example, if you have a collection for clothing, you can create subcollections for tops, bottoms, and dresses. To display your collections on your storefront, you need to add them to your navigation menu. Go to the navigation section in your Shopify admin dashboard and click on the Add Menu Item button. Select the collection you want to add to your menu and click on the Add button. By following these steps, you can create product categories in Shopify and organize your products in a way that makes it easy for your customers to find what they are looking for. Remember to keep your collections organized and up to date, and to use clear and descriptive names for your collections to improve the user experience on your storefront.